Firstly, before you work on any equipment, make sure it's unplugged. Plug is on the floor. Very easy to get the top off this. 4 screws located there, there, there and there. Take the top off gently. If the spiral is making a noise, get an Allen key with a bit on, put it in the top of the spiral mixer. There's 4 inspection points so you can lock off the equipment and basically just turn it until it goes tight. This one is very tight. Once that's done, complete reversal of equipment to put back on. Start up your machine.